Welcome back to 5-Minute Move, and I, Danny Trejo, will be leading you through a 6-minute video with a 5-minute movement. This week, I will be demonstrating with barbells, or barbell, I should say. You want to get two different sizes, a medium weight and a heavy weight for you, but you can use anything you want, kettlebell, dumbbells, whatever you have access to. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate today for our core day. Fun core day, getting ready for that summer season. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Make sure to pause after this next 30 seconds or so. You can get an idea of how to do these movements before we get timed. So side lever, knees together. This is a different variation of side lever like we've done in the past. You can bend over as far as you can, come to the other side, bend over as far as you can. You can do that on each side for a full minute. And then we're gonna do hollow flutter kicks. So a hollow position, meaning you're gonna bring your hands up overhead, here, pick up your chest, and then bring your feet flutter like that. Little flutter. Leg raises in this position, hands down. Pick your feet up and straight back down. Up and straight back down. Then you're gonna do power sit-ups from this position. Hands up overhead, biceps by your ears. Come up into a sitting position and then back down just like so. And then we're gonna finish off with our endurance movement, which is star sit-ups with the bar. So star sit-up, widen your feet, come up. So up, come across, back, and then come across to the other toe and come back. You don't have to do this with the bar though, you can do it with just your hands. We're gonna go ahead and start it in 4, 3, you wanna pause right now if you can't, and sorry, begin. Side levers. Look at me getting all crazy. Here, just like so. All right, both sides. This is the mobility section, so you really wanna stretch out your core, because we're gonna be working today, all right? So to pull on it, you wanna knead it like dough. If you have a guy who has boxing experience in your home or your gym, just have a few taps on your stomach, have him kick you, punch you. It'll loosen up your core real nice. Actually, probably the opposite. 30 seconds left. Poor favor. All right, just like so. If you want to make a real advance, you bring up the bar overhead and do the same thing. Oh yeah, I'll even give you a better stretch in the hips and the core as well. So doing that for another 17 seconds, and we'll move on to hollow flutter kicks. The rest of these movements will be done on your flat of your back. 10 seconds. We'll put this down. So we'll need that for a little bit. Get into position, hollow flutter kicks on your back. 3, 2, 1. And here, pick your chest up off the ground, point your toes, and just go. Like that. Get hard talk in that position. Whew. All right, so hold that position. You're gonna do that for a full-on minute. And the balance of it, so the stability, because this is a stability exercise, as you can probably tell from the text over there in that corner, is you're on kind of your middle of your back, like right here is where you balance everything. You can lift up your feet, you lift up your chest, and that's where all the weight is. All right, 30 seconds. Focus on that stabilization. Keep everything nice and tight. All right, deep breaths. Okay. Big swells of oxygen you want to come bring into those lungs. Big exhales. Don't shallow breathe. It's really important to do that right now. A lot of people shallow breathe in general, but especially when you're under ab tension like right now. 7 seconds, and we will switch over to leg raises. Breathing is where the fat goes, by the way. 2, 1, and begin. Leg raises. Hands to the ground, stay here, and lift up. If you're pretty comfortable with leg raises, add a bar twist in there. I mean, not twist. The twist is having the bar. Here, and then come up. That's a little harder than I thought it was gonna be. Cool. All right. Maintain that position. You have 40 more seconds of that. Focus on the strength of the core, really squeezing everything as you come up. So I always define these terms over and over and over again because one of the things I want you guys to learn is just kind of how the system of programming your fitness looks like. I don't like when people go to the gym as an ex-fat guy. I don't like people walk in there and not knowing like what to do, how to pick things up, or how to write out the workouts, or they just copy what they saw in a magazine maybe, or maybe someone on Instagram. 10 seconds, we'll move on. And these videos are designed to help you just understand fitness and start to rate your own workouts maybe. Or at least walk in there and just do something that makes sense to you. Power sit-ups. Back, here, and sit up. So this is called an L sit when I get to the top. This is an L sit. You don't have to do that. You can do a butterfly, like that. Or just a regular power sit-up with the knees up. Cool. 3 different variations. I like to do the butterfly personally because it stretches open my hips while I'm doing a sit-up. It's also harder because you can't use your quad. The problem is that your quads, these big muscles right here, kind of help your core a little bit when you're doing any kind of hinging movements like that. So when you do a butterfly, it moves your knees out of the way, you can't engage those muscles. 20 seconds of those power sit-ups, and we finish up with star sit-ups with the bar, and we're done. We are done with ab day after that. All right, so again, make sure you guys have the education of fitness that you need to do this by yourself. This is what I do as a personal trainer. I want all of my clients to do great without me. I want them to move on after we get them to where they need to go. 2, 1, and begin. And a lot of people don't focus on that aspect of it. They want to keep their client forever. I'd rather them just learn everything they need to know and go do it by themselves. Just like so. Star sit-ups with the bar. And if you don't have a bar or you don't want to use a bar, here. Just like so. Bring it up, hands up, and touching those toes, or try to. I can't touch the toes, so I shouldn't be able to expect you to. Right. And at the end of the day, that's the goal. 30 more seconds. It's just getting an understanding. Habit. You're here to build a habit. 5 minutes is not a lot to ask out of you every single day. Once you can commit to those 5 minutes, the time doesn't matter. It could be 5 minutes, 20 minutes, it doesn't matter. It's just getting here and doing it, moving around, and doing that every single day. That's the trick. Once you have that habit, then you learn the techniques, which is what I'm also trying to teach you here. And then you learn how to increase the intensity. And that, at the end of the day, folks, is the recipe that you need to start off with fitness with. 3, 2, 1. Buzzer, thank you guys for being here today. It's been my absolute pleasure to be educating you guys in the world of fitness. I will see you tomorrow, Friday, squat day, butt day.